Hey guys, it's Ashley from Out Nadine Reviews, and today we're unboxing Nadine West. I'm back, I guess I should say. Somebody actually commented like yesterday or the day before, where have you been? I'm in a weird spot, guys. You know, we all have ups and downs, and I'm in a downs. I'm not gonna go into detail. I'm not gonna regale you with the like. By the way, everybody's in my family's fine. Everything is fine. I don't want to say. I know that sounds I'm like, my sight was broken for a while and that kind of got me out of the habit. That's part of it. I don't know. I noticed too, I was looking back in like my Facebook memories, and it's a pattern this time of year for me. Is just really a rough one mentally. It's a lot of ups and downs for me. I have no makeup on. I'm like, I'll just make my video without makeup. I just don't feel like it. So anyway, Nadine West. I know, like, it's what a bummer to come off on, but it's the truth. I'm just being honest. Might as well not come out here and lie and pretend to be all shiny and happy. Nadine West is a monthly styling service. They send you, I think, 6-ish pieces. You have to get jewelry, which is my only real bummer. Last month's wasn't so good for me. They did email me after I made the video. They do not send this to me for review. I do pay for this subscription. It is free unless you keep something, except for shipping. It's like $9.95 for shipping, and then that's applied to anything that you keep, so FYI. But the service itself is free. So they did email me. They're like, oh, you can update your style profile, but like, okay. I knew that already. Anyway, so what I usually do is at the end of the video, I'll add in photos of the items on myself so that you can kind of see them, and I'll let you know down in the description box what I kept. Last month, I didn't keep anything. I think most months I keep about one thing, maybe two. I think a couple of times I kept 2 things. So anyway, we're just going to get in here. Everything does come in this envelope. And then there is this thing. You get a little slip in here that you can send everything back. In this bag, and there's a packing slip. You just drop it off at your post office. It's super simple, nothing, and you don't have to pay for that. All right, so everything's always kind of packed up real nice. That's cute, huh? I see some, I always get plaid and flannel confused. I know that's silly, but it's true. I see some plaid, which I love. I love, 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 love plaid. All right. Oh, this is super cute. It's like a plaid dress. This is from Orange Creek. It's got an interesting color scheme because it's like got that purpley black, and then it's got like the greeny tone, the shift to it. So that's interesting. I don't know how that's gonna look on me. It's got that, you know, very 90s vibe to it with that high weight, almost like an empire waist, and then the bows on it. So we'll see. I'll try it on. Oh, is it split back? No, but it does have pockets. Is that pockets, I feel? All right, that's cute. I like that. I did say when I signed up, and one of the things I complained about last month was that I signed up and I wanted nicer clothes, because I have, when it comes to t-shirts, jeans, and all sweatpants and all that, I got that. I got all of it. I don't need any more of that. And they had sent me, it was like sweatshirts and granny pants, I felt like, but this one looks like it's better. So my jewelry is wrapped up in here. We'll just get this out of the way because I never keep this. I have enough jewelry, but it is part of the subscription, and I recognize that and accept it. So first off is a silver bracelet. It looks like it has a it's a lobster claw. It almost looks like it would have one of those circles. I don't know what those are called, but you know what I mean, where it has the bar that runs through it, but it does not. So there's that. Then we have some earrings. I have earrings very similar to this. They're cute, right? And then you have this neck bracelet, anklet. I don't know. We'll see on the slip. It does give you a slip that tells you the price of everything as well. I do wish those were a little more clearly marked, because sometimes it says black pant and it gives it a name, but the name isn't anywhere on the pants. So if you have 2 black pants, you have to kind of guess which one is which, for the price, as far as the price goes. All right, so this just looks like a little bracelet with a pendant on it. Anyway, all right, we got some jeggings. These are jean leggings, if you didn't know. I'm just kidding. These are okay. I don't know that I will keep these, but Yai-Tong, I don't know that brand. I'm not familiar with that. Back's kind of cute. They do have real pockets. I know some jeggings don't have real pockets, and that's kind of a bummer, not gonna lie. All right, then we have, oh, this is cute. Is it a shirt dress or just a shirt? I think it's just a shirt. Gray and black striped. Ooh, look at the sleeves are cool. It's got those sleeves. I like this. This is from Zanana Premium. That's cute. It is a long sleeve, which kind of, I mean, it's May here, so we're coming out of those months, but I still like it. All right, then there's a headband. So that's cute, right? I like that. I like that style. I don't know that I'll keep that, especially depending on the price. I am a price conscious person, so you gotta hit me with the good price. See, this is your slip. One will go in the bag and one will go on the bag when you send everything back. All right, here is some more stuff. Huh. Here's some black jeggings. Oh, these are interesting. I don't know how I feel about these personally. This here, it's a little too flashy for pants for me, but this is better than, like, this is at least on the track of what I wanted. You know what I mean? So those are okay. And then we have this purple, is this a dress? If it is, it's really short, or it's just a long shirt. So it's a floral print. I love the colors, super cute. And for spring and summer, it's perfect. This is from, who is this brand? Sheila Rose. Sheila Rose. It's cute. And it has buttons like a Henley top. That's cute. Kind of almost reminds me of LuLaRoe, though. We're going down that path. Anyway, here's a scarf. I don't need any scarves, but this one is soft. They don't pay attention to season or like where you live, because in Pennsylvania right now it's like 70 degrees. This is like a warm winter scarf, not something you'd wear right now. But still, it's cute. At least it's on the path of what I want. And then the final item is this. Oh, this is cute. I like this. A summer dress. This is from Vibe Sportswear, and it is navy and gold with white. I think this is really cute. I like this a lot, and it's super like soft and comfortable. All right, so let's look at the prices real quick. The top that's black charcoal stripe, that's the one with the little sleeve, the elbows, the soft elbows, that's $35.99. That's too pricey for me. I won't keep that. The sway top, which is pink fur, oh, that's the floral print, is $16.49. The navy stripe top, hold on, navy stripe top. I don't remember that. Wait, what? Why you gotta be confusing? There's no top like that. Navy gale top. I don't know what that is. See, this is what I mean. The bottom, the skinny navy jeggings are $37.49. Will not be keeping that. Bottom, that's black, $39.99. Won't be keeping that. The navy mustard dress is called Veronica. That's $33.49. I will think about that depending on how it looks. The earrings are $21.99. The necklace is $22.99. The bracelet is $29.99. The headband is $9.99. Okay, so hold on. And the scarf is $22.99. So this top that they're talking about, navy stripe, must be this dress, which I wouldn't have called either a top or navy, but that's $39.99. That's a little rich for my blood. So I am going to start inserting some pictures, right?